Have you come across this beautiful Lakshmi Narayan statue? I bet you have seen these in a lot of videos, especially when Assam faces those heavy monsoon floods. The sight of the water surrounding around the statue is one of the most shared visuals during that time. But there's more to this statue than just the floods. This statue is part of a temple that holds a deep history. It's not just a place of worship, but a symbol of something truly fascinating. And today, I'm here to tell you all about it. Many of our followers have been asking about this location, so let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Guwahati Gyan. Today we are at Chakreshwar Temple, a stunning yet underrated temple in Guwahati. This temple is said to be on the spot where Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra left its divine mark on earth. This temple is located at Kalipur. If you're coming by bus, the bus will drop you on the main road. From there, you'll have to walk a little. But if you have a cab or your own car, getting here is pretty easy. So let's go and check out this temple together. As we enter, you can see a rath at the top of the entrance gate. Quite an interesting structure, no? And here is the main temple. Look at this huge rock. And let me show you something truly fascinating. This is where Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra is said to have left an impression. This chakra is considered one of the most powerful weapons in Hindu mythology. The story goes that when Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra dismembered goddess Sati's body, the chakra struck at this exact point, leaving this divine mark. Now let's head towards the Lakshmi temple, right next to the main shrine. What caught my attention here are these ancient trees. They are worshipped and they are flourishing. It's amazing how nature and spirituality come together in such a peaceful way, isn't it? But how did this temple come to life? Let's find out. The story of Chakreshwar Temple begins with a woman who had a dream. She saw the great Sudarshan Chakra embedded in the rock, calling for a temple to be built in its honor. She approached one Jyotish Kalita from her neighborhood, requesting him to take on the task. At first, Mr. Kalita was skeptical, but after thinking over it, he finally decided to take up this challenge. Finally, in 1994, with nothing but faith, he began the construction. It took him 6 long years to complete the construction, and in 2001, finally the Chakreshwar Temple was inaugurated. And here's the famous statue that you have probably seen in many of our videos, the statue of Narayan Lakshmi. During the monsoon, this statue also serves as a marker to track the rising levels of Brahmaputra. Locals say that while the water has reached the top of the statue, it has never submerged completely. Look at this beautiful view. From here, you can also spot the Peacock Island, which is home to the famous Umananda Temple. On the other side of the temple, you'll see the statue of Narasimha, which is one of the most powerful avatars of Lord Vishnu. There are also idols of Durga, Shiva, Ganga, and Hanumanji. So when's the best time to visit this temple? The temple is open on every day from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on every Thursday evening, a special aarti is held here. So, how do you get here? It's just 4.5 kilometers from the famous Kamakhya temple, and from Kamakhya railway station, it's just a 13-minute drive, about 5.2 kilometers. Now, if you're coming from Guwahati railway station, it's just 4.6 kilometers away. So there you have it, the Chakreshwar Temple, a hidden gem in Guwahati. It's not just a place of worship, but a spot filled with history, nature, and spirituality. Next time you're in the city, make sure you visit this peaceful and divine place in Guwahati. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more such hidden gems in Guwahati, and leave a comment to let us know where we should explore next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.